Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Cradle of Filth. Oh yes it is. And it's a song called Malignant Perfection. So, Cradle of Filth have a new album coming out. This is not what it looks like. April next year. So this is just a single right now. I'm not certain, but I think this is going to be on the new album. I think it's like, here's the first release. But the album name and cover, as far as I can tell, has not been released yet. So I can't be certain this is on the album, but I think it is. So the new album's, like I say, April, I think, next year. So I really like Cradle of Filth. I have a real soft spot for them, which is why we're doing the song. Because I went, oh look, new song. Now, to be honest, this came out October 22nd, but I've not been around to do it. So here we are on November the... what is it? Who cares? November the something right now. Yeah, that's all I can say really. So they kind of released it for Halloween, I suppose. Let's just get on with it. I mean, let's face it. If you're a Cradle of Filth fan, you already know what you're getting. And if you're not, I don't think this probably isn't going to change your mind. Because well, let's see. Because I don't know what we're getting. I haven't seen it.
Face the uninhibited in the face of the coming storm.
If you don't like Cradle of Filth, that's not going to change your mind, because that's just pure Cradle of Filth. It is metal panto. And I realise panto is a very British thing. So think of like Christmassy theatre for children, mostly for children, but you know, like very camp and over the top, ridiculous theatre. So yeah, Cradle of Filth, metal theatre, metal panto, very theatrical, over the top, kind of ridiculous, but just fun. I just like Cradle of Filth. This is kind of a, what's the right word? It's kind of a slower one for them. It's like a downbeat one for them, a sort of almost a calm one. And quite a lot of Cradle of Filth songs really go. I'd hate to be Cradle of Filth's drummer, let's put it that way. And they're touring the UK, and I've never seen them, and it's one of those bands I'm like, oh, I've got to go and see them. But the only date they're playing near me is part of a festival, and I don't want to sit through a day of bands I've never heard of to get to Cradle of Filth, you know. Just turn up later. No, I'm not paying for a whole festival to go and see one band either. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed with that. I could always travel further afield, but I'm too lazy. So there you have it. There's not, what can you say about that? It's pure Cradle of Filth, isn't it, really? They make really good songs. They have really good melodies. This song is not the best song, Cradle of Filth song I've ever heard, just to be clear. But they do make really good, entertaining songs. Videos aside, the videos are usually quite entertaining, but videos aside, I really like their stuff. And they used to be sort of held out as like the, held up as the poster boys for everything that was wrong with metal by the conservative sort of populace, where they could say, "Oh, look at this! It's ruining our children" and all of that sort of thing. I mean, really? Come on, Binek. Have you seen your average rap video? Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go off on a terrible tangent there if I'm not careful. So, Cradle of Filth, song called Malignant Perfection. That's the single cover, but there is an album due sometime in sort of April-ish next year, of which this is probably a song. Probably. Don't quote me on that. Let me know what you think, as ever, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.